Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am working right now on finding kid subscription boxes that I know kids will enjoy. So I'm going through and ordering a bunch of subscription boxes and giving them to my kids, and they're having a blast being the guinea pigs. But what I'm trying to gauge is if I present this to a 6 to 9-year-old girl, what are their thoughts? My initial idea was to film with them, and the footage I'm about to show you is when I did film with them. Utter chaos, utter chaos. So I am going to tell you about the box here and then jump over and show you their reactions. This is Unicorn Dream Box. This box has two different options for kiddos. A $38 option, which you get 6 to 9 items, and a $58 option for a deluxe box, which you get 10 to 15 items, and it is a monthly box. I am showing you the $38 box here. It ships 1 to 2 days after you place your order. And the reason I like to distinguish that is, you know how sometimes when you order a subscription box, you feel like you wait forever for it to show up or for it to renew? That's because they have ship on dates. Unicorn Dream doesn't do that. You order, within 1 to 2 days your box ships, so you already have something coming in the mail and it renews on that same day. So there's no big lull or drag in between. Inside the box comes several items. They guarantee a plushie or a squishy, school supplies, decor, storybooks, and more. So that's kind of the theme. So let's jump over and watch me presenting Unicorn Dream Box to my 6 and 9-year-old daughters.
There's a unicorn! Oh! That's Paige.
Make sure you put in. I knew you were gonna love it. So look at the cover.
So cute.
This is Unicorn Dream Box. Okay. Is that soft?
Yeah.
That looks super soft, actually.
You should use that for the blindfold for the rest
We should use it for the blindfold for the rest of them. The back to school unicorn chores.
Oh, never mind. Yay!
Oh, hold on. Look, you don't even know what this is, do you?
No. Mommy, I've been wanting this. Mom, for my baby doll, I've been asking for this.
You have been asking for that.
This is the best mom in the world.
You need to tell Unicorn Dream Box thank you. Oh my goodness gracious. Keep going. There's still more in there.
We have a pen with a unicorn and an ash. It's so small. Whoever made this box, you're the best. Send me another. I have a collection of these.
So this is Unicorn Dream Box. This is what the inside. The presentation on this is amazing. Let's count how many items it came with. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's show them this. They haven't seen this. This is a bag.
You can color it. 5, 6, 7.
And this is Unicorn Lip Balm.
I thought that's a crayon.
8, 9. Did you get 9 items
I'm
in
9
this box?
years old. I'm gonna tell you my favorite because my mom, she said no more stuffed animals, and I just got stuffed animals.
You did just get a stuffed animal, and I did say no more stuffed animals. I don't know if this is called the back to school box. It definitely has a back to school unicorn chore list, which I happen to think is amazing. So yeah, this is Unicorn Dream Box. This would make an extraordinarily amazing gift. How old are you?
6.
So she is 6 years old and obviously gives this box a huge thumbs up. As a 9-year-old, what do you think?
1 million hundreds.
Hold on, let her. As a 9-year-old, what do you think?
I'd love it, actually.
Okay, so there we go. 6-year-old, 9-year-olds, give it a thumbs up. As you can see, it was a huge and utter success. It was part of the reason why we couldn't group film. Like, I couldn't get the information I wanted to get to you guys with them. My youngest was so excited. And this is Uni. She has carried this guy with her every day since the unboxing. So he's 2 weeks in on love, and I think he went swimming once, and I have to say the quality's really, really great. So I can say this is a mom approved and a kid approved box. You can do a gift. You can just send a one-time. You can send a 3-month. I think this would make an excellent Christmas gift. You could order the box and have one to actually wrap, and then let them know they have 2 more boxes coming. It's super, super cool. All right, Unicorn Dream Box, way to knock it out of the park. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I have a lot more kids subscription boxes coming your way soon. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.